understanding the phrase, "That's a ripoff," in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, "That's a ripoff." This phrase is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding its meaning and usage can really help you sound like a native speaker. So, let's dive in. "That's a ripoff" is a phrase used to describe a situation where you think you are being charged too much for something, or you feel that you are not getting good value for the money you spent. It's often used when talking about the price of goods or services. For example, if you buy a small cup of coffee for a very high price, you might say, "That's a ripoff." The phrase, "ripoff," originated as slang in the mid-20th century. The word, "rip," in this context suggests the idea of being torn off or cheated. Over time, it became a common way of expressing the feeling of being overcharged or deceived in a transaction. 1. Shopping. "I paid $50 for this t-shirt. That's a ripoff." 2. Services. "They charged me $200 just to fix a small leak. That's such a ripoff." 3. Comparisons. "This gadget is twice the price here than in other stores. What a ripoff." It's important to remember that this phrase is informal and somewhat colloquial. It's best used in casual conversations rather than formal or business settings. Also, it's a phrase that expresses a strong opinion, so be mindful of the context and the audience when using it. And that's all about the phrase, "That's a ripoff." We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what this phrase means and how to use it in your everyday English. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.